Hey everyone, it's Kathy from Crafty Chica, and I have a different type of video today. Did you know that I am the co-owner of a beautiful Phoenix gallery and gift boutique here in Arizona? Myself and my friend Emily Costello, who's a wonderful painter, and my husband Patrick Murillo, who is also a phenomenal artist. About 2 years ago, we decided that we wanted to stop vending at events and kind of carrying our stuff around and setting up, tearing down. We decided to bite the bullet and open a retail location in Phoenix, Arizona. And it has been such a wonderful experience. You can see all of the different things. We make about 90% of everything in the store, all of the inventory, and then we travel and we bring back different things from our travels, like different types of hearts or purses or different things. Sometimes we carry things from friends that we have, but for the most part, we make everything ourselves. So I thought I'd put this video together just so you could have a sneak peek. We're always changing what the store looks like. So if you are ever in Phoenix, please stop by and check it out because it's always evolving, always growing. We have everything from mixed media paintings to ceramic mugs to greeting cards, all different types of jewelry, candles, you name it. We love to make all of this. It has been such a really cool journey. My advice to all of you is if you have an idea that you want to do, just get rolling on it, because this is the thing. My husband and I have been making our art and crafts for over 20 years. We always talked about having a store, but we let fear get in the way because we automatically thought, oh my gosh, it's going to be like an extra mortgage payment. We're always going to be worrying about how we come up with the rent. But you know what? I wrote down what our budget was and what we wanted, very detailed, and I swear to God, within 2 weeks, this space became available. And it is not about, oh, we got to come up with the rent. It's actually become a moneymaker for our art business. It has brought in extra income because we don't just put things out to sell. We also have different types of events. We teach different workshops. So it was a really good life lesson to not have a limiting belief that something won't work or something's going to be very hard. Yes, it will be hard, but if you have the passion for it, break through those thoughts that you have and at least give it a try. Research it. Figure out how much you can afford, what you have to sell, what you could do to bring in more income. The thing with being an artist is that we have the opportunity to make as much money as we want because we're creative and we can think about doing something different that most normal people wouldn't think of. So put all of that into action, big and small. One thing with our store that I love between the three of us who create the work in here is that we have something for everyone. We have things as low as $2 and things as high as $500 or up to $1,000. So there's something for everybody. Thank you so much for taking this little tour. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and come visit us in Phoenix. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.